We're pleased that you've chosen AT&T for your new IP broadband service. This is the second of 3 short videos that AT&T has created to help you understand the installation process of your new service and the actions you need to take to help the installation go smoothly. This video will focus on the day of installation. First of all, know that you can contact AT&T with any questions as we proceed toward installation. You will have received a confirmation email that provides your order number and billing account number or BAN. If you call us for any reason, please have those ready for the AT&T associate as well as the 4-digit passcode you gave the AT&T representative when you purchased the service. These will help us to quickly answer your questions. Please ensure that the person calling is an authorized user of the account and can authorize changes if necessary. So the day of installation has finally arrived. Let's discuss what will happen today. An AT&T field technician will call you to provide an estimated time of arrival. It is important that the local contact be at least 18 years old, knowledgeable about the placement of this service, be on site when the technician arrives, and stayed during the installation process. The technician will need access to the local carrier room and the communication closet in the building. This is the demarcation point between AT&T's network and your inside wiring. The technician may also need access to restricted areas such as telephone or data rooms located in your building. The AT&T field technician will arrive on site to install, test, and label your service. The technician will complete any basic inside wiring necessary to activate your service, along with placing your gateway in the most effective location in your suite or office. There should be ease of access without blockage to the location where the equipment will be installed. Technicians are not allowed to move furniture or objects. On occasion, the technician cannot complete the inside wiring because it is too complex. In those instances, the technician will refer the job to our complex wiring team, who will be in contact with you to complete the wiring. When the wiring is completed, the technician will perform a test validating the speed to the gateway and share those results with you. Once your AT&T IP broadband service is up and running, you are ready to connect your devices. The AT&T field technician will connect one computer, validate access to the internet, and set up Wi-Fi capability as well as static IP addresses in the gateway if ordered with your service. After the installation is completed, you will receive an Account Registration Complete email confirming the activation of your IP broadband service. Our last video will discuss what happens after your service has been installed and offer information about understanding your bill. Please watch it to ensure you understand how to get help with any issues that may arise after the installation. And again, don't hesitate to reach out to the AT&T team with any questions you may have. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.